I try YouTube automation in just like 6 months. I'm able to get these results. So I'm going to show you step-by-step guide how to start YouTube automation and make profit off of it. So let me show you my results. As you can see, this is this channel. I actually make this channel around May this year, and for this particular start, you can see the first month I make $43. Second month I made $101. The third month, which is September, I made $256, and this is ongoing month October, I made $59. So far, let me show you exactly how I've made so far with this channel to show you that YouTube automation is actually possible. So I actually made $479 using YouTube automation. So ensure to actually subscribe to my YouTube channels, and we show you the step-by-step guide on how I'm able to achieve it. So without wasting much of your time, let me show you a step-by-step guide on how to start YouTube automation and start making money off of it. So you have to ensure, if you are starting a YouTube channel, you have to make sure you actually base your YouTube channels on a particular niche. So you can actually use ChatGPT to actually research for niche you want to start if you are the kind of person that doesn't have much experience about YouTube automation. So let's type in ChatGPT. Can you give me YouTube faceless niche idea. YouTube faceless niche ideas. So ChatGPT is going to give us different niche ideas we can actually start making money off of YouTube automation. So I'm going to allow ChatGPT to actually give us some niche idea that we can actually do without recording ourselves, without showing our face on camera, because most people are very shy to actually talk to camera or record their self. So these are the kind of niche we can actually start using AI all through. So you can see here we have AMSR, like automation, censoring, video involving creating, shooting, tiny sound. So this one is gaming. You can actually be playing game and be recording your screen as you are playing along. So this one doesn't require you to actually do much of work. So you can do narration and storytelling, like probably you can actually find a particular book and start using AI to actually do storytelling. ChatGPT is going to help you do almost all of this stuff. So this one is DIY and craft. So this one is cooking and recipe. So there are a lot of things you can do using ChatGPT. So because ChatGPT can do almost every niche that's listed here. So but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using a separate niche, which is a gift idea niche. So next thing we are going to do now is to do our keyword research, because we actually know the niche idea we want to go into with our YouTube automation, but we have to make sure we do our keyword research to make sure that as soon as we are publishing the video is ranking well on Google search, on YouTube search. So the tool I actually use for keyword research on YouTube is actually called VIDIQ. So VIDIQ is a popular tool that we use. If you want to try VIDIQ, I'm going to drop the link to VIDIQ inside the description below. So for you to get started, you have to sign up with your email that's linked to your YouTube channel. So I'm going to enter the email and it's going to link. The reason why I'm actually linking your YouTube channel to this VIDIQ is that the VIDIQ actually have AI that we're going to scan to show you daily keyword idea in different things you have to do to your channel to make sure you actually grow more faster, like different keyword idea that is very related to your channel, that if you make video for, you'll be able to run more faster. That is why you have to use VIDIQ for your YouTube channel. So for we to do our keyword research on VIDIQ, you have to go back to this option, then click on keyword. So we are going to enter our seed keyword. This probably, if you are targeting gift ideas, so let's see gift ideas, and we are going to search for it with VIDIQ too. So as you can see, this particular keyword have a lot of searches, like 26,000 people are actually searching for it, and it's very competitive, very competitive. So what we have to do is to we have is a very competitive niche, and if you check the video that is being made is mostly short video. So that means if you can be able to make a very long video, there's high probability that we might rank well on this particular keyword. So but since this keyword is very competitive, you can actually check for related keyword. So we can click on related keyword to see some of the keywords you can actually make body for. So this one is Christmas gift idea 2023. But due to the fact that our channel is very new, so we are not going to be making a video that is very high competitive. So what we have to do is to go to this competitive session. So we are going to toggle it to show the one that very low competition. So as you can see, this particular keyword, 100 gift idea for Christmas 2023, Christmas gift ideas, Christmas present idea. So I'm very sure if you can make video for this particular keyword, there's high probability that we might rank very fast on Google search. So as you can see, this particular keyword. So let's assume that you are starting your niche on this particular topic, which is 100 gift idea for Christmas 2023, so 2022. So let's copy it. Then the next thing we have to do now is to write our YouTube script. So writing a YouTube script is very, very simple. I'm going to show you. It's very, very simple. We are going to use ChatGPT. All we have to do is to come back to ChatGPT. So but before we do that, we have to come back to ChatGPT and start using the prompt to actually write a YouTube script for us. But before we do that, like I have this particular prompt I always use to write all my YouTube scripts. So I tell ChatGPT, write me 1005 word and above long detailed YouTube script on this particular topic. So I'm going to paste the title actually copied from VIDIQ. So it is 100 gift idea for Christmas. Let's change it to 2023. So actually tell ChatGPT, add call to action to viewer to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So you are going to enter your YouTube channel name over here. Then actually tell him to add it like 3 or 4 times. So eventually I tell ChatGPT, make it sound personal to the viewer, and also add call to action. You can add call to action if you want to promote products in the duration of your video. So you can add call to action over here. So what I want to do now is to copy the prompt, then come over to ChatGPT. So I'm going to paste it over here to allow ChatGPT to write us a better YouTube script. So I'm going to allow ChatGPT to write the script right now. So he's going to scan through the web to be able to find some ideas about the gift idea you can actually give someone when we actually reaching December period. So it's trying to give up the ideas. So right now, ChatGPT actually help us to write a better YouTube script. So as you can see, hey dear, welcome back to my channel. So your channel's name, you can actually make sure you add your channel's name over here. So I'm here today to share something special with you. It is most of wonderful year. So ChatGPT actually been best way to actually write YouTube script now. So as you can see, we can actually copy this entire script. So let's try to copy it. So let's try to copy it from here. Like we can copy it. So when we copy it, then we go back to Google Doc, because we have to make sure we edit this script. You know, if you know how to use ChatGPT very well, you can come out with a better script that is going to get like 70 to 50% audience retention. So let's copy the script over here to read through. And what we have to do now is, you know, we have the script already. We have to make sure we break the script into smaller pieces, because when we break it into smaller pieces, we are going to use it for the next thing we are going to do now. So let me close it. Then this is the introduction. So what we are going to do now is to break this script to smaller pieces, like smaller units rather. So we are going to break it to smaller units. Probably we can delete this one. Also we can make it to break it to smaller pieces. Now that we have a perfect YouTube script, so all we have to do is to copy this entire script, and then we are going to use these two we are going to show you in this video. So the first tool is called Murf.ai. So this Murf.ai is a realistic voiceover that allows you to generate text to speech. So you can actually use different text to speech like 11 Lab, Riser, but the one I actually use most times is Murf.ai. So all we have to do is to sign up, and when you are signed up for Murf.ai, they are going to give you 10 minutes audio recording. So I'm going to drop the link to Murf.ai inside the description below. So let's assume that you actually sign up. So all you have to do is to come to this new project, create a new project in Murf.ai. So you can actually name your project any name. So let me name it any name. Then you are going to click on, you are going to choose start from blank, then click on create a project. So it's going to load up the dashboard for us to actually start making our voiceover, because this is the first process. So Murf.ai actually have different voices you can actually use. So there are a lot of voices. So that is why I actually love Murf.ai. There are a lot of voices. So let's assume that you want to use UK accent, Australia accent, English India accent, English Kid, English Scottish, French Canada. There are a lot of accents you can actually use. So the one I actually like to use most times is this Terra. So let's apply it. We can actually apply Terra. So then paste the the script you actually generated from ChatGPT. We are going to paste it over here. Then allow Murf.ai to generate our voiceover. So when you click on play, Murf.ai is going to generate the voiceover for us. So I'm going to wait for a little bit. So for Murf.ai to generate the voiceover for us. So the next tool we are going to be using is actually called Pictory.ai. So Pictory.ai allow us to generate a lot of video. So if you have like 20 scripts at once, you can generate the video within 20 to 15 minutes. So we are going to click on proceed script to video. We are also going to paste the script generated from ChatGPT. We are going to paste it over here. Then try much as possible to break it down so that it's going to match up correctly. So we are going to break it down a little bit. So break it down, like this one is not on a single line. We are going to break it down. So let's assume that this is our script and we are actually working on generating our voiceover. Okay, Murf.ai actually generated the voiceover for us. So let me play it to show you how this sounds like.
Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Gift Hub, your one-stop destination for all things gift-related. Today, I'm thrilled to share something truly special with you. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Christmas is just around the corner. And what better way to prepare?
So as you can see, this voiceover is really awesome. It sounds like a human being voiceover. And if you are the kind of person that wants to order voiceover from Fiverr, you discover that there's no much difference between Murf.ai voiceover and this voiceover. So we are going to download this voiceover and use it for our video. So let me assume that we are going to name this project like Christmas. Let me copy Christmas, then paste it over here, then click on proceed. So we are going to choose any template from Pictory.ai. So Pictory.ai have a lot of templates, so loading up. So Pictory have like marketing templates, business templates, real estate template, professional templates. So you can choose variety of templates on Pictory. So there are a lot of variety, but the one I actually like most to use is this sun rising because it's very much friendly. So I'm going to click on it, and they have different dimension. If you are targeting long video, you can use 16:9. So and if you are targeting YouTube shorts, you can use 9:16. So I'm going to choose 16:9. Now what Pictory is going to do is to search his database to find the footage that actually match up with the script he copied from ChatGPT. You know, it's going to find some script that's matching up. So I'm going to pause this video, wait for a little bit to allow Pictory to do the magic for us. I'm going to continue the video very soon.
A few moments later.
So after waiting for about some minutes, Pictory has actually searched his database to find us a video that is matching up with the script. So as you can see, like I recently Pictory actually added 11 lab to their voiceover, so I think it's going to be a good idea. So I'm going to close it. So this is the video that match up with our script. So what we are going to do next is to come to this their audio tab. So we are going to come to this their audio tab to actually check most of the voiceover that is there. So on Pictory.ai, you can actually add your background music, and those music are copyright free. You don't have any issue if you are using this music. You are not going to have an issue with copyright on YouTube, and you can actually record your own voice and upload it on Pictory. So but notwithstanding, Pictory actually have different voiceover. So let's play this one to actually see how it sounds. So I think this voiceover are from
The only thing to do with good advice is to pass it on.
So
it is never of any use to oneself.
Oh, this voice is actually cool. I think it's from 11 Lab. So this, if you want to get, you have to upgrade to their premium plan. So, but the one we are using now is from Murf.ai. So I'm going to upload the voiceover over here. So let's click on it. I'm going to find it inside my computer. Like I'm going to go to the music tab. Then I'm going to search for Christmas. I think I saved the file with Christmas. I'm going to locate Christmas. Okay, this is the file. So I'm going to upload it over here. Then it's going to upload successfully. So now what we want to achieve now is actually to produce massive content like 10, 20 at once, and then publish it on YouTube to ensure that we can actually grow more faster, because that is the method I actually use. So I try much as possible to publish at least a content per day. So let me click off this option. Then I'm going to apply this voiceover to the entire video. So I'm going to click on apply here. Then I can't apply to the entire scene. Probably this particular Pictree account is actually is on a free trial. So if you actually create a new Pictree account, you are going to have the option to apply to the entire video. So I'm actually going to recommend, if you want to have a very nice voiceover, you can actually use their voiceover. So there are a lot of voiceover you can actually use. So they have 11 lab voiceover and it sounds very, very good. So let me play it to actually show you
The only
how.
thing to do with good advice is to pass it on. It is never of any use to oneself.
So it actually sounds good. I believe if you can use Pictree 11 lab voiceover, you should be able to get to YouTube monetization. So but before you can use that, you have to upgrade to their pro plan. So I believe you can upgrade to their pro plan and be able to use this 11 lab. So and the pro plan is around $37 per month, and it actually gives you a lot of highly hyper realistic voiceover from 11 lab. So I have to go back to Pictree.ai to actually see what we have actually done with Pictree. So it's loading up. So this is our project, which is named Christmas. So I'm going to click on it to actually use their free voiceover, since we can't actually apply the one we generated from Murf.ai. So and if you are finding great value in this content, I will actually implore you to please give this video thumbs up and actually share it with your loved one. So right now that we have our video, so we are going to go back to the audio tab to use their free voiceover. So there are a lot of free voiceover you can use. We are going to click on voiceover over here, then find a free voiceover that actually sound very good. So this one are premium one from 11 lab. So let's try to use the free one. So as you can see, we can actually apply the voiceover. Let's apply, and it's going to create a voiceover for us, and this one is actually for free. So after it has created it, we are going to preview our video and start uploading it on YouTube. So like one of the greatest way to actually succeed on YouTube is consistency. So I believe if you can be able to use 11 lab, ChatGPT, almost all of them are free, and be able to publish content every single day, you should be able to grow faster and get your 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour. So as you can see, the voiceover has been applied successfully. So let's preview our video to see how it look like. So we are going to click on preview over here to see how Pictree video actually look like and how we can actually download it and start uploading it to YouTube. So it's going to take a while for you to, I can see voiceover applied already. So trying to compile the video.
Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to Gift Hub, your one-stop destination for all things gift related. Today, I'm thrilled to share something truly special with you. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Christmas is just around the corner. And what better way to prepare than by exploring the...
This is the final video that Pictree actually rendered to us. So we can actually click off, then click on download over here to start downloading our video. So we can download, you can click on here. So you can click on download and then click on download video. So it's going to be downloaded. It's going to prepare our video and start downloading. So after we have downloaded the video, we can now upload it on YouTube and start making money on YouTube. And make sure that your video script actually match up with the footage so that people can actually watch the video from beginning to the end. I hope you find great value in this content. If you want me to do a video tutorial about how you can use Pictree.ai, let me know in the comment section below so that I'll be able to make a full detailed video about how you can actually use Pictree. Thanks for watching this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye.